Hey guys, Nova here, and welcome to the 10th episode of Logo Battles. Today we're talking about Langley production. The logos that will be battling will be Langley Productions from 1999 versus Millicott Inc. from 2004. That was requested by the Facts Ground Fan 2021, I show you. And the winner of the last episode goes to Mario Entertainment from 1973. Congratulations. First, we're going to play Langley Productions. Alright, now we're going to play Millicott Inc. 2004. Alright, that's the episode. This is Nova, signing up. And comment below what we should win. If you want Langley Productions to win, put hashtag LP99. Or if you want Millicott Inc. to win, use hashtag MillerCI04. This is Nova, signing out.